Ever wondered how to contribute to awesome open source projects or collaborate effectively on code using GitHub? Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to create your own copy of the repository. We're going to do this by clicking the fork button usually found on the upper right-hand side of the page. This creates a copy of the repository in your GitHub account, allowing you to make changes without affecting the original project. Next, it's best to create a new branch that keeps your changes separate from the main codebase. Think of it like a parallel universe where you can experiment freely. Click on the branch dropdown, usually named main or master, and create a new branch with a descriptive name like fix typo or odd feature. Now, it's time to make your changes. Clone your forked repository to your computer by grabbing the clone URL from the main page of your fork and using it with the git clone command in your terminal. Modify the code or files as needed using your favorite text editor, or I'd save your changes. With your changes saved, go back to your terminal. Use the git add command to stage your changes. Then use a well-written git commit command with a descriptive message explaining what you've done. Finally, push the changes to your new branch on your forked repository using the git push command and the name of the branch you created. Finally, head back to your forked repository on GitHub. You should see a prompt to create a pull request. Click that button. Add a clear title and description explaining the changes you've made and why they're beneficial. This allows project maintainers to review and merge your contribution. Congratulations! You've just submitted your first pull request. Be prepared for feedback where the project maintainers might request revisions or offer suggestions. Engage in a positive discussion and make any requested changes by repeating the commit and push steps. By mastering this workflow, you can collaborate effectively on countless projects, making a real impact in the world of software development.